A warm good morning to all my dear children. Let us move our fifth lesson. Fifth lesson is the world of animals. Fifth lesson is the world of animals. World of animals. World of animals. In the last class, we have studied about a living thing, plants. Okay. Do you remember it? Okay. Now in this lesson, we are going to study about another living thing, that is animals. 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 Okay. What are the characteristics of a living things that we had learned in the last class? What are they? Yes, living things can grow. Living things can grow. Then they need food, air, water. Then they can move from one place to another. They can reproduce. Okay, then our first characteristic is living things can grow. Okay, take a puppy as an example. Take a puppy. Okay, do puppy is at the same size after 2 or 3 years? No, it will grow to a big dog. After 2 or 3 years, puppy will grow to a big dog. Okay, thus we can say that animals can grow. Okay, then a second characteristic is they need food and water. Food and water. Living things need food and water. Do the puppy can live without food 2 or 3 weeks? No, it will die. Okay. Next, our third characteristic is living things can move from one place to another place. Living things can move from one place to another place. In the case of puppy, it is busy. It is moving every time. He is moving every time. While he is sleeping only, he is not busy or he is not moving. Isn't it? Okay. Next characteristics of living things is that it can reproduce. It can reproduce. Okay. A dog can give birth to young one. Dog can give birth to young one. So, animals can reproduce like other living things. So, we can say that animals are also living things. Okay, our first topic of this chapter is types of animals. Types of animals. Types of animals. Types of animals. Okay. In our surroundings, we can see many animals. We can see many animals. Some are small, some are big. Some live in trees, some live in land, some on water. Some live both land and in water. Some animals live with us in our home. Some live near our home. Okay. Then, on the basis of these features, we can classify animals into different groups. Okay. First one, domestic animals. Domestic animals. Types of animals. First one, domestic animals. domestic animals. Domestic animals. Okay. Domestic animals live near our house or on the farm. Domestic animals live near our house or on the farm. Domestic animals means they live near our house. Live near our house or on the farm. Domestic animal live near our house or on the farm. They are called animals that live near our house or on the farm are called domestic animal. Okay, animals that are live near our house or on the farm are called domestic animals. Can you say some example of domestic animal? Yes, cow. Example of domestic animal. First one, cow, goat, then buffalo, etc. Okay. Then second one, pet animals. Pets. Pet animals. Pet animals. Okay. Pet animals are kept with us inside our home. Animals that live with us inside our home are called pet animals. Animals that live with us in our home. Animals that live with us. Live with us in our home are called pet animals. Animals that live with us in our home are called pet animals. Okay, domestic animal live near our house or farm. Then pet animal live with us in our home are called pet animals. Okay, then we tame them for our pleasure. Okay. The example of pet animals are cats, dogs, parrot, etc. Example of pet animal: parrot, then cat. Next one, dog. These are the example of pets. Okay. Next one, wild animals. Third one, wild animals. Animals that live on jungle, forest are called wild animals. Animals that are live on jungle or forest. Animals that live on jungle or a forest. Animals that live on jungle or forest are called wild animals. Can you say some example? Yes, lion. Example, lion, tiger, etc. Okay. Then domestic animals means animals that live near our house or on farm are called domestic animals. Then pet animals means animals that live with us in our home. Wild animals means animals that live on jungle or forest are called wild animals. Okay. Then we can see most of the wild animals on zoo. We can see most of the wild animals on zoo. For example, we can say tiger, elephant, lion, etc. in the zoo. But they are wild animals because we have tamed and caged them. Okay. Our next topic is animals' homes. Animals homes. Animals homes. All animals need a shelter to live. All animals need a shelter to live. In the case of wild animals, their shelter is from nature. Okay, in the case of wild animals, their shelter is from nature because they live in forest. Okay, then for domestic animals, we need to build their shelter. Some animals build their shelter their own. Some animals build their houses their own. Okay. Let's see about animals homes. For example, a lion's shelter is known as den. Lion lives in a den. Lion's shelter is known as den. D-E-N, den. Lion lives in a den. Okay, lion lives in a den. In the example, lion is mentioned as a wild animal. So its shelter provided by the nature. Lion's shelter den is provided by nature. Okay, next, dog's shelter. Dog's shelter is known as kennel. Dog's shelter, dog, D-O-G. Dog's shelter is known as kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Dog's shelter is known as kennel because a dog is a pet animal. So its shelter should be provided by man. Dog is a pet animal, so its shelter provided by man. Okay, next, hen. Hen's shelter is known as coop. Hen's shelter is known as coop. Hen is a domestic animal. So its shelter provided by man. Hen is a domestic animal, so its shelter provided by man. Okay, then birds lives in a nest. Birds lives in a nest. Bird live in a nest. Okay, its shelter made by their own. Birds build their shelter their own. Okay, like birds, bees and ants, they also make their shelter their own. Okay, like birds, ants and bees make their shelter their own. Okay, then bees lives in a hive. HIV, hive. Bees lives in a hive. And ant lives in a anthill. Ant lives in a anthill. Okay, birds, bees, ant, they build their shelter their own. Okay, our next topic is what animals eat. Animals eat. Animals can be classified according to their eating habit. Okay, animals also can be classified into according their eating habit. First one, plant eating habit animals. First one, plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Okay. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat only plants. They are called plant eating animals. Eat only plants. Eat only plants and plant products. Plants and plant plants and plant products. Plant products. Animals that eat only plant and plant products are called plant eating animals. Animals that eat only plant and plant products are called plant eating animals. Example, cow, elephant, example of plant eating animals are cow, elephant, rabbit, etc. Okay, next one, flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals. Second one, flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals means some animals kill and eat other animals or insects. Some animal kill and eat other animals or insects are called flesh eating animals. Animals that eat flesh of other animals. Okay, eat flesh of other animals. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eating animals. Example, tiger, lion, wolf, etc. Okay. Like humans, animals also have babies. Animals also have babies. Next our topic, animal babies. Baby animal. Okay. Some animal lay eggs and some animals give birth to young ones. Okay. For example, hen lay eggs and lion give birth to young ones. Okay. Now we are going to learn some animals and their young ones. Okay, animals and their young ones. First one, baby lion. The young one of lion. Young one of lion called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Baby lion is called a cub. Okay, baby lion is called a cub. Next one, young one of cow. Young one of cow called a calf. C-A-L-F. Baby lion is called a calf. Then young one of cow is called a calf. Next, horse. Horse. Young one of horse is called a foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Young one of horse is called a foal. Next, young one of goat. Young one of goat is known as kids. Young one of goat is known as kids. Okay. Young one of lion is called a cow. Young one of cow, calf. Young one of horse, foal. Young one of goat, kids. Then young one of dog. Dog. We all know that puppy. P-U, puppy. Young one of dog is known as puppy. Then cat. Cat. Young one of cat. Kitten. Young one of cat. Kitten. Last one. Young one of duck. Young one of duck is known as duckling. Duckling. Okay. Young one of lion. Calf. Cow. Calf. Horse. Foal. Goat. Kids. Dog. Puppy. Cat. Kitten. Duck. Duckling. Okay. Next, how animals help us. Next topic is what? How animals help us. Animals help us. How animals help us. How animals help us. Like plants, animals are also very useful to us. Okay. Then domestic animals like cow, goat, buffalo, etc. give milk. Gives us milk. Then which are the animals that give us milk? Which are the animals that gives us milk? Cow, goat, animals give milk. Which animal gives us milk? Cow, goat, buffalo, etc. give us milk. Then from where do we get wool? Where do we get wool? Sheep give us wool. We get wool from sheep. Wool. We get wool from sheep. Sheep. And from where do we get honey? We get honey from honeybees. Honey. Honey from honeybees. Okay. Then some other animals like donkey, camel, etc. Reduce our work. They carry our loads or they pull our cart. Okay. Then therefore we should take care of animals and treat with the kindness.